If you want to start using Trading212, you should click on the link in the description to get a free share up to $100 when creating an account. To buy stock in Trading212, in here you will see the list of stocks you can buy. Click any stock you want to buy, but in this case, I'm going to choose NVIDIA. After that, you will be able to see the details of NVIDIA. If you want to proceed to buying this stock, just simply click the buy button. And if you are fully verified in this application, you can access the payment transaction when buying a stock here in Trading212. Assuming you completed the transaction, and that's it. That's how you buy stock in Trading212. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.